Welcome to the Jobs module, your built-in space to simplify hiring and job discovery for your members. The Jobs module allows your members to post jobs for their own requirements or on behalf of others. Other members can apply to the jobs if they are interested or refer the openings to someone in their network. Let's walk through how it works. The Jobs module will appear once your community admin has installed it. Depending on your community settings, members may have different permissions when it comes to posting jobs, but everyone can apply and explore opportunities freely. The Jobs dashboard helps you organize and manage job postings with intuitive tabs and filters. Use filters like location, industry, or job type to find the right job faster. You can also view the status of each job, whether it's open or closed, right from the listing. To create a job posting, click on Post Job and fill in the details. Want to assign a different hiring manager? Enable this option. Need to accept applications from outside the community? Simply toggle this setting. Review the job details before publishing. After clicking Post Job, a preview will appear. Take a final look, then hit Publish to make it live. Or go back to edit if needed. Once published, the job will appear in the Jobs tab. Job posters can track and manage applications under the View Applicants section, where they can review and categorize applicants as shortlisted or not suitable. That's a wrap on the Jobs module. Whether your members are hiring or exploring new roles, this app empowers your community to grow professionally together. Explore more apps from the Apps tab and make the most out of your community experience. For the latest updates, visit our help platform. See you in the next tutorial.